Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Imagine a fighter jet that doesn't need a pilot, one that flies alongside manned aircraft like a loyal guardian, smarter than your average drone, stealthier than you can see, and deadlier than you expect. Meet the future of air combat, the MQ-28A Ghost Bat, developed by Boeing Australia in partnership with the Royal Australian Air Force. This is the first military aircraft designed and built in Australia in more than 50 years. And it is not just a drone, it's a Goose. Codenamed the Ghost Bat, this jet belongs to a new class called Loyal Wingman Aircraft. Think of it as a robotic sidekick for human pilots, able to fly ahead, scout threats, jam enemy radar, or even take the heat of things go south. Wing a range of over 2,000 miles and speeds reaching high subsonic levels. The Ghost Bat is designed for long missions deep behind enemy lines, all without a pilot on board. Here's where it gets wild. This jet can fly completely on its own using AI. It thinks, navigates, and adapts in real time. It can make tactical decisions on the fly, literally. But it doesn't just work alone. The MQ-28A is built to team up with other aircraft. The F-35A, F/A-18F Super Hornet, even AWACS AWACS aircraft like the E-7A, multiplying their effectiveness like a digital force field. Need to spy, jam radar, deliver precision strikes. The Ghost Bat can do it all. It uses modular nose sections that can be swapped out depending on the mission. It is like changing the head of a transformer from stealthy recon bot to electronic warrior. This modularity means one jet can fill multiple roles, a game changer for Air Force around the world. Soon, very soon, the first live missile test is scheduled for late 2025 or early 2026. That means this silent guardian could soon carry air-to-air missiles, giving it lethal teeth in future dogfights. As of now, 8 prototypes are in the sky. They have flown over 100 test hours in all weather conditions, day and night. Boeing is already working on an improved Black 2 version with better wings and smarter nav system. Because this is not just about one jet, this is about the future of warfare, crewed and uncrewed aircraft flying as a team. AI and human minds working together on one Ghost Bat could save the lives of real pilots by flying into danger zone fast. And let's not forget, Australia is now one of the few nations building combat-ready autonomous jets. That's huge. So the next time you look up and see a plane streaking through the sky, ask yourself, is there a pilot in there, or is it the Ghost Bat, the silent sentinel of the skies? If you like this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic tech and military breakdowns. Thank you to watch my video. We will meet in our next video soon.